Hi crafties, I'm going to show you how to make a super simple yet beautiful Mother's Day flower pick. You're going to need specialty cardstock, foamies, a hot glue gun, and Barely Arts glue. As always, I like to start with gluing my small elements together first. As always, I love to use a mix of specialty cardstock like Encore's Glitter Luxe line and mix it with any textured cardstock for a little pop. I use 3D foamies to add dimension to each layer. However, it's important to note that when working with 3D foamies and glitter cardstock, to ensure proper adhesion, it's best to use a dab of hot glue on the foamies before sticking it onto the glitter. This lavender glitter fusion cardstock from Encore's Glitter Luxe line is so much more beautiful in person, and my camera doesn't do it justice as it doesn't capture the unique glitter fusion. Once your layers are all assembled, it's time to add your acrylic stick with a dab of hot glue. I chose to use an 8-inch stick instead of the standard 6-inch one to give it more length, as I will be adding these to bouquets of flowers. This Mother's Day flower pick project is available in Cricut Design Space in my profile, Lilac Peaches Handmade, and is free for Cricut Access members. A friendly reminder that all of my projects in Design Space can be made for personal use, or you can even make the physical items for sale. The only thing that cannot be done is recreate them digitally for sale. I hope you guys enjoyed making these with me.